Just 3 ingredient popsicle. Kids and adults fell in love with it. It's super delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours for your family. My fruit of choice today is mango. I'm making use of 4 medium size of mango. This particular mango is so delicious, so I choose to use it. As you guys can see, I just started by cutting my mango into small pieces for easy blending. But feel free to make use of any fruit of your choice. I have other popsicle recipe on the channel. I'll put the link in the description box below. Go and check it out if you're interested. It's super amazing as well. You will definitely love it. I transferred the mango into the blender and I added some vanilla extract. Do not skip this vanilla extract. It's very important in this recipe, alright? It changed the game of this popsicle, trust me. I go in with some full cream milk and I cover the blender and give it a good blend. One thing you need to know about this particular popsicle recipe, you don't want the mango to be too much or the milk to be too much. You want it in between, alright? We want this popsicle to taste like the store-bought one, alright? You don't want your popsicle to be ready and then you'll be tasting mango, alright? As you guys can see, this is the consistency that I'm looking for. It is not too watery or too thick. It is in between. I'm going to transfer the popsicle, the batter, or the mango, or the ice cream into this disposal plastic cup. That is what I'm going to be using to mold the popsicle today. If you have a popsicle molder, go ahead and make use of a popsicle molder. I mistakenly broke mine, so I'm going to be making use of this plastic disposal today. And you guys, this tasted so good. At this point, I don't even want to make a popsicle again, but I have started. You guys understand? I have to finish it. It tasted so delicious, guys. Go and give it a try. I'm going to be making use of the cover of the broken popsicle, the one that is broken, the cover, to hold the popsicle together. If you don't have something like this, just put stick inside it, alright? I put the cover and I transfer it into the freezer and allow to frozen for about 8 to 9 hours. And this is 8 to 9 hours later. You guys, it's looking so beautiful, so delicious. You guys, it tasted absolutely amazing. I just take my scissors and then I use the scissors to cut the plastic a little bit and then I just use my hand to remove the rest of the plastic. I place it on the tray and that is it, guys. It's super delicious. With just 3 ingredients that you can find at the comfort of your home, you can come up with this super delicious, yumilicious, beautiful, colorful popsicle for your family. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for watching, thank you for sharing my video, thank you for liking. I truly appreciate you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.